Who's on the light?
Oh,
I'm gonna get my BB gun out.
well, you know.
Well, good luck.
If Hal was here, but then you start shooting in your house and. Would you
Maybe we turn that light off. Should we turn that light off?
turn, because the outside light's on, turn that one off.